Wall Street is screaming at you to celebrate Nvidia's spectacular capital return program. They call it returning value to shareholders to push retail investors into buying the top. But my forensic data system just detected a massive illusion hidden deep within their regulatory filings. Today, we will audit how corporate giants burn billions of dollars, not to reward you, but to fund a legal mechanism designed to drain your money without you even noticing. What does Investopedia or your favorite financial influencer tell you about buybacks? They repeat the naive math that when a company repurchases shares, the denominator drops. Therefore, the accounting fiction known as earnings per share automatically spikes. The financial media uses this to justify absurd evaluations and keep the hype alive. They want you to think the executive board is aggressively investing in its own stock, but they are intentionally hiding the silent transfer of wealth happening behind the scenes. Let's look at the hard regulated data that Wall Street praise you never audit. My data lake reveals that despite the billions spent on repurchases, the net share count is frozen. The official SEC filings prove that Nvidia is issuing stock to its insiders at an astronomical rate. They announce a massive buyback program, but the actual shares outstanding barely drop. Why? Because nearly the entire cash outflow is used to absorb the massive dilution generated by the legal addiction of executives to drain corporate cash through stock-based compensation. They are not shrinking the supply. They are using operational cash to fund private executive wealth. The forensic verdict is absolute. You are buying nothing but paper profits. You are applauding a headline while your ownership in the company is being quietly cannibalized. Nvidia is burning available free cash flow to artificially subsidize their internal elite. This capital should go to real dividends or R&D, not to protect insiders from market supply. If you only read the TradingView headlines, you are financing the liquidity exit of corporate insiders. In our next data breakdown, we will run the Python script for the real dilution thermometer. We will expose the exact percentage of cash being burned to mask dilution across the Mag 7. Subscribe to Renzo Market Lab now if you don't want the next filing to destroy your capital.